We are trying to begin the splicing. That is cleaver there. After we strip the core, now is entering there like this one now. After we strip the core, we are trying to clean the core with wipes. There's it entering inside in the cleaver. Then we clipped. We bring it out. We now put it inside the splicing machine. You can see that is the splicing machine there. It has been inserted into the splicing machine. The machine now shows that it's too long. That is to say, it's very close or even beyond the electrode, which it must not. Now it has been fixed properly. We are trying to eat, so to speak, the one we've already spliced. So we set the each string on the splicing point, then put inside the eating machine.